Hey Josh, can you tell me the story about how the Daybreak came to be?
Yes, so the US Daybreak Strategy, I like to utilize it on the NASDAQ 100 E-mini futures inside the futures market. We look at the 9 to 10 o'clock candlestick Eastern time, so 9 a.m. Eastern time open, 10 a.m. Eastern time closed, 1 hour candlestick. And it's just a breakout strategy, trying to make 20 ticks with defined risk and of course a defined entry. But where did it come from, right? Like how did this even come about? Well, I used to trade the currency market for about 10 calendar years, and I worked with an organization where I would teach other people how to trade currencies. And when I first started, I started as an analyst, well actually like an assistant of an analyst, but I became an analyst and I started teaching others, but during the European session. So I would get up like at 2 a.m. Eastern time and I would teach and educate from 2 a.m. to about 11 a.m. Eastern time with breaks in between. Well, what I noticed is being up that early, because I live in Florida, is the European session would open, the Bank of England would open, Frankfurt would open right around 3, 4 a.m. Eastern time, and the Great British Pound would push either up or push down. So I would look at like the Great British Pound against the US dollar, Great British Pound against the Japanese yen, etc., and look for these pushes for like 50 pips at a time, which is a pretty substantial amount of opportunity. So that's where the whole thing kind of started, where I was in front of my computer early morning during the opening of the European session. I noticed that when those banks open, the currencies would either push up or they would push down. Now, fast forward to where we are today, the question was, all right, I moved from trading currencies to trading futures in 2019, give or take. So I'm 7 calendar years into this. So why look at the US Daybreak? Well, basically, I'm doing the same exact thing what I did before, just inside the futures. Instead of looking at the Bank of England opening up or Frankfurt opening up, I'm looking at the United States stock market opening up. So those brokers are opening up around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I look at the 10 o'clock candlestick close from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and I just try to go after a breakout, either bullish or bearish. And it all stemmed from my time of being a Forex trader for about 10 calendar years.
Thank you, Josh.